How to pick Zillow leads the Swift REI Insider way. Most wholesalers waste time calling random Zillow leads with no real strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you how we find profitable deals on Zillow the Swift REI Insider way, step by step, so you can lock up deals your cash buyers actually want. By the end of this video, you'll know how to analyze Zillow properties, spot motivation, run comps, calculate your offer, and position yourself to make big assignment fees. Step 1. Know your buyer first. Before you even pull a lead from Zillow, you need to know what your buyers want. Too many wholesalers try to find deals first and buyers later. That's backwards. Ask yourself, does my buyer want fix and flips, buy and holds, Section 8 rentals, luxury flicks, turnkey properties? If your buyer only buys brick 3-bed homes under $120K, why are you sending them condos or expensive rehabs? Pro tip: build a cash buyer criteria sheet so you know exactly what properties to target. Step 2. Look at days on market and seller motivation. Next, go straight to Zillow and check the days on market. The longer a property sits, the more motivated the seller usually becomes. Look for 30+ days on market, price drops, investor special, needs TLC, selling as is, bring your tools, handyman special. These are motivation words. Sellers and agents leave clues in the description. A property sitting 90 days with multiple price drops? That's a conversation waiting to happen. Step 3. Build a rehab scope of work. Now look through every photo carefully. You want to estimate repairs before even calling. Check for old kitchens, roof damage, water stains, bad flooring, peeling paint, broken windows, outdated bathrooms. Then create a quick rehab estimate. Example: paint 3K, flooring 5K, kitchen 10K, roof 8K. Also download all the Zillow photos and upload them to your cloud storage or Google Drive. This makes it easy to send your buyer a professional deal package later. Step 4. Run your comps the right way. This is where most wholesalers mess up. You need real investor comps. Use recently sold properties, last 90 days, similar condition, similar beds/baths, similar square footage, same neighborhood. Don't compare a fully renovated home to a property that needs a full rehab. You want as-is comps whenever possible. That's how investors determine the real ARV and profit margin. Step 5. Use the Swift offer calculator. Once you have the ARV and repair estimate, plug everything into the Swift offer calculator. Calculate ARV, repairs, holding costs, investor profit, assignment fee. This gives you a max allowable offer that still makes sense for your buyer. Never guess numbers, run the math. Step 6. Make the offer and collect the check. Don't overcomplicate it. Be confident. Based on the repairs and current market conditions, this is the best number that makes sense for my investor. Once accepted, get the property under contract, blast it to your buyers, assign the contract, collect your check. That's the Swift REI Insider process. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate wholesaling game every week. Comment Swift below if you want more videos on finding motivated sellers, analyzing deals, and closing wholesale transactions.